Today, I tackle your most common questions on IPL hair removal and demo a great at-home IPL device that offers salon-level results at home. This is the same technology hair removal that I do in my office, but now you can do it at home. I'm going to give you a quick demo so you can see how it works in a minute, but I'm sure you clicked this video with a few questions in mind, so let me cover the most common ones first. Most common question: does IPL hair removal work? And the short answer is yes. However, there are many things that matter: hair color, skin color, device design. Today, we're talking about the Trinity i15 Pro, and I want to thank them for sponsoring this video so I can share all this information on home hair removal with you. So let's talk design. This device has a dual lamp technology that features larger lamps with high capacity 100-watt power, which boosts energy density and delivers between the 560 and 1200 nanometer wavelengths to target hair follicles for faster, effective hair removal treatment. One of the most exciting things is the PHR mode, a powerful hair removal mode. It uses a 27 joule 4-burst pulse sequence to maximize energy and effectiveness. Also, an advanced salon-grade cooling system which ensures a comfortable, safe ice point experience throughout the treatment, with a large quartz window that's 16.6 square centimeters to cover more area during treatment, but also to allow for rapid cooling. Everyone wants to know, does it hurt? To be honest, when I do hair removal in the office, or if you've talked to anyone who's gotten hair removal performed, it does typically feel like a shock or rubber band snap. That's not the case with the Trinity i15 Pro. It's painless. Pain from hair removal comes from heat, so when you have an amazing cooling system like this one that avoids recycling any hot air, plus the large window which evaporates heat faster, so the tip's always cold, which is why the treatment is so comfortable. Now, I've gotten so many questions that I do want to rapid fire some questions for you about the system. For people with psoriasis, can the device irritate or worsen psoriasis even if used on dry skin without active patches? So as a dermatologist, yes, I believe this device is safe to use for people with psoriasis. Now, the manual is a little bit more careful. It says that if you have active rash and stuff like that, you shouldn't do it. But realistically, I don't see any harm in doing this. Now, say you do have damaged skin. Are there any risks there? Especially people like, say, a history of skin cancer or precancerous lesions. This is not UV light, so it doesn't increase your chance of skin cancer. So there's no worries there at all. Now, this is not a treatment for any kind of skin cancer or precancer, so don't get that confused. I would definitely avoid any areas with moles because those have more melanin and they could absorb more heat from the device during treatment. And this sometimes can also change the appearance of moles. So cherry angiomas, those pesky little red spots on the skin, is the device safe to use on those cherry angiomas, and can it help fade them? The device potentially can help reduce cherry angiomas. I personally recommend avoiding them, but if you were to go over them, they may turn darker temporarily before fading away. Does the device work in the face and the bikini line? Yes, it can be used on both of those sensitive areas, and there are specific settings for those. Somebody had asked about beard shadowing. Can the device be used on the beard to reduce shadowing without causing permanent hair removal if used sparingly, like say you use it once a week or so? I would say any area you treat, I would treat it as if you were seeking permanent hair removal. It's a little too fine of a line to walk between reducing your hair and removing your hair permanently. So I'd only treat where you want your hair removed permanently. Now, a few concerns came up about eye safety. So eye injury when using the device in the face, even with goggles and treating with eyes closed, for example. Somebody asked, if you see the red flash of light, is that something that's harmful? The red flash that you see is not harmful to your eyes, so I don't want you to worry about that. It happens to my patients in the clinic too when they come in, and I'm using a similar device in the office on their face. So the key is wear your protection and keep your eyes closed, and you are good to go. What skin types and hair types is this safe and effective for? This device can safely be used in the lightest skin tones all the way up to brown skin tones. The device works best on dark hair. Just know it's not effective on light blonde, red, white, or gray hair. So let's look at how easy it is to do this. You want to do this on clean skin and shave long hair down to a short length, but you don't want to wax. The follicle still needs to be present so it can be targeted by the light, and waxing removes that. There are multiple modes on the device, including a face, body, and bikini mode. The modes can be changed with the M button on the lower right of the screen. You can also change the intensity of the treatments by using the button on the lower left of the screen. The powerful hair removal mode defaults to the strongest setting with a quadruple pulse, so you don't need to change the intensity of the powerful hair removal mode. The PHR mode is best for hairy areas and non-sensitive parts of the body like the arms and the legs. You'll notice the light in the middle of the lower part of the screen, which shows that the device is in automatic mode or not. Anytime the device is on, you should see the cooling system indicator. That looks like a snowflake. You can do the treatment in manual mode, where each press of the button fires a flash, or the automatic mode, which will allow the device to flash automatically as you move along. The key is keeping the device in contact with the skin the entire time. For the first couple of weeks, you'd want to use this device more frequently, around 3 to 4 times a week. As time goes on, you can reduce it and use it less to maintain the results. Say reducing it to 2 or 3 times a week at around week 3, and using it only 2 times per month after the first month. After the treatment, always protect the treated skin by keeping it moisturized and protecting it with sunscreen. But you should be using sunscreen anyway every day. Hair follicles may look slightly singed before falling off during your regular cleansing. So I know that had answered a lot of your top questions. Salute is a high-end professional grade hair removal brand created to deliver salon level results from the comfort of your home. By utilizing advanced ice cooling and powerful 4-burst pulse IPL technology and focusing on safety, efficiency, and comfort, Salute is revolutionizing the hair removal experience. If you want to try the Salute Trinity i15 Pro, you can use the link and code in the description to save $140 off your purchase. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them below, and I'll see you in the next video.